Yeah. Hi Tanya, how are you doing?
I'm doing good.
Acha, so Tanya, can you tell us something about yourself?
So I have done all my studies at Meerut, and after which I graduated from IIT Roorkee in Pulp and Paper Engineering. I got a job as ZS Associates. It is a pharmaceutical consulting firm. I did that job for 1 year as business operation analyst. My hobbies are dancing, aerobics, and I have huge interest in waste management.
Okay. So Tanya, what was your optional subject in your mains exam?
Ma'am, my optional subject is geography.
In geography.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Acha, tell me one thing. What is Meerut famous for?
Ma'am, Meerut is famous for its historical things. First War of Independence started from Meerut on 10th of May 1857. Apart from it, it is famous for sports industry, scissor industry, as well as sweets like Revdi and Gajak.
Acha. Okay. ठीक है. For now, I'll just pass it on to sir. Sir.
What is your preferred subject or area from which we can ask questions?
So you can ask me questions.
Anything? Moral issues? Social issues?
Yes.
Okay, what have you studied?
Sorry, sir, I could not get it.
In moral philosophy, do you know moral philosophy? Moral issues?
Sir, I know moral issues, but philosophical names and theories I would not know.
Now I'm asking that which area would prefer to be first start with,
Sir, you can
so
start.
that you are comfortable to begin with.
So you can ask me from waste management, geography, as well as environmental issues.
Environmental issues. What is that? How do you define environment? What are the environmental issues?
So the biggest environmental issue that we are facing is climate change.
Climate change.
Apart from it, high levels of pollution in air, water, soil. These are the basic.
What are the conditions or the reasons for environmental problems?
So the basic reason is that the economy that we are thriving on is based on consumerism, and which is actually more and more consumerism of resources without treating the waste, which is also a resource in itself. So unless we complete this cycle, more and more waste is created, and that waste is ending up in pollution of air, water, soil.
What does consumerism mean?
So consumerism is based on economics of buying more and more, and the cycle of consumption of waste and making it as a resource is missing in this economic cycle or economic models that we are thriving on.
In what way it's affecting consumerism? Suppose I have 5 shirts, now I have 5 more. If I have 1 mobile, I have 2 more, and so on. If I have 1 car, then 2 more. So does it mean that it is too much, or maybe according to my need I am having 2 cars or 2 shirts or 2 mobiles?
Yes, so one can have any amount of number of things that he or she needs, but the problem lies in if I am buying 5 shirts or more 5 shirts, these 10 shirts are actually not getting reused, recycled or repaired. They are actually landing in landfills where they are deteriorating into pollutants. So the problem lies in the second part. That is the linear cycle of manufacturing, using, and then rejecting it. But the other cycle of making rejects into useful thing, that is missing. And that we.
If I say that, because this is a very complicated issue, human behavior, human attitude, or I call materialism, scientific material, actually it has come from the waste, I think. Now consumerism, there is a need, okay? And then there is a desire, and then there is a greed.
Yes, sir.
So can you connect the 3 in this process? Where should we stop? What should be the solution?
Sir, as Gandhiji also said, there is enough for one need, but not enough for everyone's greed. So I think we should stop at need. And apart from the need that we are desiring, that is not a problem. But that desire and whatever we are wasting, that waste that should be tackled, and for that we need a circular economy. That is also an economy which can give employment and which can generate a better future for all of us.
Anyway, do you think that this process, this consumerism is spoiling the balance of the whole cosmos? Is it so?
Sir, if I say consumerism based on only profit and losses, in which the main aim is to earn profits by selling more number of articles and without considering the ecological and the social aspect. Social aspect as in, as are we paying the profits to everyone in our company, or are the profits only accumulated in the upper basis? Then definitely it is creating a disbalance. But if we consider consumerism on all
Disbalance where?
so disbalance in the social strata where the inequality is rising, because if I am buying a pen and a company is producing a pen, then the profits are going to the owners and the profits are not penetrating to all the strata of the society. So it is also
You see,
creating.
the issue is that consumerism is the man's affair, okay? I am the consumer, you are the consumer, there is some seller or businessman, etc. So this kind of business is there. But the whole impact is on the environment.
Yes, sir.
And what are involved in the environment? Everything,
Yes,
sky, water,
Yes, sir.
forest, and the impact on the human being. It boomerangs on us.
Yes, sir.
So whether you have any program or any idea to control it, to minimize it, or to solve it?
Sir, my idea is very much inspired from the circular economy, in which we do not only rely on the profit and losses, as well as we rely on the circular structure, that is getting the waste, whatever, if I am producing a bottle, but there should be economy for that to recycle that water bottle. So if we work on that economic circle, then we can generate employment also, and it will be good for the environment also. And in other sphere, like we have planned obsolescence in electronics, due to which there is lots of consumerism and lots of e-waste is being created. So if there is a structure in which this planned obsolescence can be controlled by better regulations and better quality of products with longer lifetime can be created, in which more innovation is required, that can also spur economic cycle. So if we are going green, that it doesn't mean that we are stopping consumerism. If we are going green, then we are going for responsible consumerism, in which both the cycles are involved, before use and after use, which is creating employment, and it is much longer cycle, so it will involve more people and more employment, and it will be available for all, not only for the upper ranges, rather for the lower skilled one, because in the waste correction or waste repairing, most of the people in the social strata of the society are involved. So if we are getting that economy on cycle, we are actually dignifying the lives of those people also who are now living a very undignified life.
Oh, please.
Tanya, have you heard of a word known as geopolitics? What is this?
So when politics between the countries get influenced by their geography, then we call it as geopolitics. India's geography also influences relationship with the neighboring countries and with the other countries. So in this reference, geopolitics as a term is being used.
Can you differentiate between geopolitics and real politics?
No, sir. I don't have idea about real politics.
Okay. Now tell me one thing. After 2015, you have done job for 1 year. After
Yes, sir.
that, you were preparing. You were doing no other jobs. So naturally, you must be thinking of that you will become the IAS and DM and some. It's quite natural. So suppose you got selection and become DM of the district. So what do you do there to make that post a role model?
Sir, I think if I become...
No, you don't think, you do. Think का काम तो निकल गया. आप you are preparing for 3-4 years. You must be imagining that I am a DM and you must be thinking of that if I become DM then I will do this. And you know nowadays it is very difficult. If a DM is in a district for 1 year, then that is more than sufficient.
Sir, I will first do all my duties very responsibly and be disciplined in my works, and that's how I can improve the working culture of my office. And there will be priorities according to the district I'm posted in. So
this is the conservative job. You have to make yourself a role model. Everyone should say, भाई वो डीएम है. कहा जाता है ना, आप जिले में रहते हो, भाई फला डीएम आया था, उसने ये कर दिया, वो वहाँ का डीएम. Tell me, there are some lady DM also in your neighbor districts who is first in every parameter of the government. So how would you come up? You have very less time, only 1 year.
sir, it depends upon the district. If the district is dirty, I will work on waste management. If the district is, I will give the priority. If the district is not performing good on law and order, I will do that better. So whatever is the main priority of the district, that needs to be identified.
You are the boss of the district.
Yes, sir.
So who will decide that what will you do?
Sir, I will only decide, but I should know the district first.
कोई डिस्ट्रिक्ट दे दो सर.
चलिए आप बताओ, आप मेरठ के हो गए.
Sorry, sir.
मेरठ के ही डीएम हो गए. आपको होम कैडर मिल गया और आप होम डिस्ट्रिक्ट नहीं मिलेगा. चलिए आप मान लीजिए गाजियाबाद के हो गए.
Sir, Ghaziabad has more issues of transportation congestion and environmental issues like air pollution. So these would be my 2 priorities. And in this, I think it's very important that we make specific teams for tackling them. And for air pollution, waste disposal is a major issue. And for that, as far now, Ghaziabad disposes lots of amount of waste in Meerut landfills. So first of all, a good waste management strategy needs to be developed. And for that, I would use the ideas that were implemented in Indore for making it garbage city free, and segregation plants, door-to-door collection, that needs to be taken on place. And other than that, law and order and traffic congestion. For traffic congestion, I think data analysis should be used, and private companies which are actually working on making the public transport on GPS, they should be invited. So these kind of things I would try to bring. But on the office side, where I would be the DM, wherever, I would try to initiate the practice of citizen chartership. That is very important, and team meetings on a weekly basis, so that I get the inputs of all the teams. And moreover, I will try to engage the team people on a very personal basis, so that I can also understand what are their issues.
Your family profession is the industry own business. Yeah. Any day-to-day chatting, you must have heard that I have gone to the DM office, waited for 4-5 hours and didn't meet. Have you ever this type of chatting in your home?
Sir, my father was an electrical contractor. So he used to go to, not to the DM exactly, but to various government offices for collecting his checks. So here he used to wait. Yes, these are the some of the things that I have heard.
Okay.
Sir, if you don't mind, if I just want to ask a question in between. So can you list some challenges that small and medium businesses face in India at the current point of time?
Ma'am, the first challenge is on the leader, who is leading the small and medium businesses. They do not possess the adequate managerial skills or help that is required to scale it up. Other than that, the laws, the labor laws, environmental laws, that are very tricky. If they become a larger one, then definitely they need to get hold of all these laws, and that is very difficult for a person who is now running. And apart from it, the technology that we need to infuse that if the factory goes up at large scale, that is also very much missing, that most of it needs to be imported. So we need to streamline all these things.
From an administrator's point of view, what all will you help out in? I mean, you did mention a little bit, but I want you to elaborate a little more on this particular aspect.
Ma'am, I would like to quote the example of Bhopal. So in Bhopal, the district magistrate has actually given a space to the budding entrepreneurs, And that space involves a collaborating workspace in which they invite mentors and the business industrial leaders to advise the budding entrepreneurs and the small medium scale people, and out of which a very good startup has grown up, that is kapadiwala.com. So I think these kind of initiatives would help, in which they can interact with the similar minded people and they can get help.
So, why is Bangalore considered the startup hub of India, and why is it so difficult to replicate that model in any other city?
Bangalore was chosen as a Silicon Valley because of many policies, and as well as its environment, because its environment is very suitable for the computer processing, because that needs to be taken place at a very, not very low, but at least 20 degrees Celsius, and that was the ambient thing. Plus lots of universities are there in Bangalore that provide fresh talent to the IT companies. And now I'm looking at Bangalore, then Bangalore has emerged as a startup hub where they have lots of competition like Silicon Valley, in which they have consortiums of young people discussing their ideas. So in this way it is growing. So it has become a growth pole. And ma'am, I think that we can replicate the idea of Bangalore in other cities, and it requires political will as well as the outlook towards this vision.
Yes, in natural correlate to your this answer. So you are the DM of the Ghaziabad, and you know that Ghaziabad is almost border of the Delhi.
Yes, sir.
And Gurgaon is also the border of the Delhi. So Gurgaon has come up so well, and you have no plan for your district.
So actually, Gurgaon and Ghaziabad have very different kind of origin of as a city. Gurgaon is an edge city, as in it has developed after Delhi has been developed, and it is on the outskirts of Delhi. But Ghaziabad as a city has its own economy, like it has various industries. So that's why that growth of IT sector has not percolated to Ghaziabad, because it has its own economy, its own area of business. But yes, if I want to develop Ghaziabad in service sector also, then definitely I have to give them a space to new innovators where they can interact with each other.
So is that not in your priority list as a DM?
So as a priority, we have to choose one or two, but definitely if I have the resources, I will get that on board also.
Okay. Now on the lighter side, your interest is in the free dancing. Whose dance do you like most? Freestyle dancing. Who is your role model in the freestyle dancing in the Indian film?
Sir, I don't have any role model, but my role model I found at my home. My mom, she dances very well. She is a classical trained dancer, so she has taught me all the way. But now I have grown up, so I watch so many videos to learn. So I would say not in Bollywood, but my role model is at my home only.
So you haven't learned classical?
No, sir, I never got a chance, but I would love to.
Okay.
All right, Tanya, I'm going to give you 5 terms, 5 words, and you need to give me the first thing that comes to your mind after hearing these words.
Okay.
All right. The first word is poverty.
Worst form of violence.
Worst form of violence. IAS.
Responsible position.
Rapist.
Heinous crime. Criminal.
Heinous criminal. Okay. LGBT.
Needs to be recognized and accepted.
Okay. BJP.
Power in government. Party in government.
Party in government. You said a rapist is a heinous criminal.
Yes, sir.
Do you support death penalty for rape?
Sir, I support death penalty if the penalty is given fast, and if there is 100% conviction that yes, the justice would be served.
I didn't understand your point. If the penalty is given fast.
Sir, the problem doesn't lie whether the penalty is death or not. The problem lies in the fact that it takes several years to get the results, and that's how the criminals actually get encouraged, because they think it will take 10 years, there is no problem. So the problem lies in more efficiency. If it brings more efficiency, and if it is even ending 20 years of imprisonment, then it will create more deterrence. So we should work on the previous hand, that bringing in more efficiency so that these victims get justice at a faster pace.
All right. You have you have opted for police service in one of the top services. You have caught a person who you are pretty sure is a rapist because you have got evidence and people have seen that this person has done this crime. Is custodial violence an option in this case? Is it right to have custodial violence with this person?
Sir, on a short term, it might look good. Okay, everybody is agreeing, but the longer vision is very dreadful. If we start with the custodial violence with one person, other times some other person might get it without even thinking once. So we have to, that's why there are rules and laws, because they guide us that in the longer term what can be helpful. So I will abide by the rules, and definitely custodial violence is not the thing that I will adopt.
So what should be done with Hyderabad police, which has done fake encounter of these rapists?
Sir, I think the encounter was fake or not, that is still not decided. So there should be inquiry if there is some issue.
All right, got it. Uttar Pradesh is mostly in news because of the wrong reasons. कुछ crime हो जाएगा, कुछ caste based thing हो जाएगा, law and order issue. And people all over India, they tend to look down upon states like Uttar Pradesh, Bihar. You come from Uttar Pradesh. Give me 5 points about this state.
Uttar Pradesh in India has the largest population. It is also one of the leading producers of potato, sugarcane. It has the highest number of MSME, which also produces a lots of export potential for the country. Uttar Pradesh also has lots of tourism potential, be it Agra, be it Varanasi. So it's also religious and spiritual position. And Uttar Pradesh has a very rich cultural and heritage diversity.
Last question from my side. You said that your father had to wait for 4-5 hours with some junior bureaucracy. But normally if we see the motivation of officers, of senior officers, grade A officers so to say, the exam which you are giving, their motivation and the motivation of grade B, grade C, the junior bureaucracy, there's a night and day difference. Why is it so?
So I think being motivated for your job is a very personal thing, and I don't see it as on a designation or something. I can be motivated to be a teacher if I have interest, and definitely I would be motivated.
Would you agree that the junior bureaucracy is less motivated than it should be? Or let us not compare with senior bureaucracy, than it should be.
Sir, it cannot be generalized because it is very...
You go to any government office, what is the kind of, you go to any police station, what is the kind of morale, like sir has been in IPS, go to any police station, what would be the kind of morale that you see of a police का जवान, उसका मेरे ख्याल से, even if you go on road, PCR में शर्ट का बटन खोल के ऐसे करके लेटा हुआ होगा गर्मी के दिन में, यहाँ तक बटन खोल के. If something minor is happening, they'll not even bother to go and...
I think, sir, both the images are there. I have seen police officers working very hard in the scorching heat, managing traffic. So both the things are there. So we should not have only the negative picture of them.
Okay. Now I am coming to your engineering education. We have some. I am not an engineer, but anyway, of course, I am the beneficiary of engineering. And there is something like that as there is science and technology. Although this is an institute of technology, is there a difference between the two, science and technology?
Sir, I see technology as byproduct of science. Science is something very logical, very rational. It could be, that's why we have social science also, because in society also we apply logic, rationality. And technology is very specific form of science in which we are dealing more with the application part. That is how my basic understanding it.
Okay, if I understand like this a different way, that science is the foundation. Okay,
yes, sir.
This is the system of knowledge,
Rational,
the
logic.
discipline of knowledge, and technology is its manipulation in practice.
Yes, sir.
Manipulation. Who manipulates? Do you agree with this term or not? Technology manipulation of science.
Sir, I see manipulation is something interpreting and interpreting it for something good is acceptable. So
can it be used and misused?
So definitely, everything can be misused and used. So that's how
Give me
science.
an example.
So I think bombs, they are the biggest example of misuse. So bombs, we are having biggest example of misuse. Then again, we make a bomb which can counter the previous bomb. That becomes a useful one. So this is a cycle of science.
And what is the difference between technology and technique? These are the technical verification.
Yes, sir.
This
I
is
should
from
know.
your
But
field.
yes, sir. So
Yeah.
I have to be in the details. I really don't know.
So science and technology, there are lots of knowledge field is endless, no problem, all sorts of things. But there is some kind of, in the West they take the lead actually, many, this way or that way, and they are also suffering. The crisis of civilization is very disturbing in the West. It has been there for the 2, 3, 4 in post-Copernicus revolution. So everywhere in the last 200-300 years, and they are looking for you can say that some kind of system where they feel that the man has lost humanity, the essence of humanity, and that's why there is a crisis in science and technology. But science is neutral and technology is active.
I think so. Science is neutral, and the people who are using it are actually at the like. Science has told us something, and now how we apply it, that depends
But
upon the person.
how to the agent? Mind is the agent of everything. And my discipline says that first we are animals, and then we grow into humanity. We shift to humanity this way. So there is a defect in the humanity problem or understanding of humanity. Is it so? Is there any paper which you have studied in your course, something like this one?
No, sir.
To understand the human aspect of science and technology. But there are humanities and social sciences departments everywhere. So what did you study there?
Sir, in my course we studied humanity, and then we studied about how the human behavior is persuaded, how it changes with the different elements like environment, peer group, religion, society. So it was more about human behavior, but it was not very much related to science and humanity. But definitely science and humanity has got a very deep relationship, because the fire was discovered, but it could be used for cooking, or it could be used as a defensive agent or an offensive thing. That was the decision of humanity as a whole. So science and humanity are always connected, because what kind of inventions are we pursuing today? Today we are having artificial intelligence, but are we using it for good, or are we using it for more inequalities? That again depend upon the humanity aspect. So these two things are very much interlinked.
It's a question of management by the man himself.
Sorry, sir.
This is the question. The problem is the problem of management.
Yes, sir.
Of science, management of science. Okay. Yes.
That's it from our side. Okay. Chalo, wait out for 5 minutes and we'll call you back inside.
मुझे एक तो आप ठीक है, आप थोड़ा सा और आप कभी कभी बहुत तेज़ बोलने लग जा रहे हैं, बहुत फास्ट है, और उसमें आपका थोड़ा सा इरिटेशन भी आ जाता है। दूसरा चीज़ ये है कि आप 2015 से इसकी तैयारी कर रहे हो, तो अब आप इस तरह के क्वेश्चंस के लिए रेडी रहिए कि आप कहीं के डीएम हैं तो आप क्या करेंगे। देखिए, जब आप डीएम हो तो जो ऑफिस है वो आप का करना दायित्व है, उसमें बहुत ज़्यादा आप कर सकते हो। उसमें क्या कर सकते हो कि लोगों को अकाउंटेबल रिस्पांसिबल बनाइए आप, कि वो समय से लोगों की बात सुने। क्योंकि आपने लिखा है कि इंडस्ट्री ओन बिजनेस है, तो क्या उनको प्रॉब्लम होती है, यू हैव टू डू। आप जब डीएम हो गए तो इंश्योर करो कि वो प्रॉब्लम इस तरह के लोगों को न हो, ये आपकी प्रायोरिटी में होना चाहिए। क्योंकि आप वो डे टू डे देख रहे हो, रोज़ घर में आके आपके पिताजी छींक रहे हैं कि ये नहीं आया वो नहीं आया, तो वो आपका एक मेंटल होना चाहिए। दूसरी चीज़, डीएम के पास 25 विभाग 100 विभाग होते हैं, आपकी प्रायोरिटी क्लियर होनी चाहिए। प्रायोरिटी क्लियर देखिए, न्यूट्रल ये होता है कि जो इस समय गवर्नमेंट पॉलिसीज़ हैं, दैट शुड बी योर प्रायोरिटी। जैसे गवर्नमेंट प्रायोरिटी, और वो है भी, आपका सैनिटेशन है, हाइजीन है, वेस्ट है, सड़क की कनेक्टिविटी है, और फिर इकोनॉमी की वजह से वहाँ पे आपको, मैंने आपको हिंट भी दिया कि गुड़गांव, और आपका वो सही है कि इसका अपना पुराना है, लेकिन आप इसको गुड़गांव बना के फॉरेनर आएंगे इन्वेस्ट करेंगे, उसको इन्वेस्टमेंट फ्रेंडली बनाओगे ना आप। इन्वेस्टमेंट फ्रेंडली बनाने के लिए उनको एक सिंगल विंडो आप दीजिए, आप जो लॉ एंड ऑर्डर कंट्रोल करिए। आधे लोग तो यूपी में इसलिए नहीं जानते, वहाँ माफी पैसा वसूल। ये चीज़ें आप जब इसको अपने प्रायोरिटी लिस्ट में, सारी चीज़ आप नहीं कर सकते हो, बट ये 4-5 चीज़ करोगे। ट्रैफिक डे टू डे आदमी के उसमें है, तो ये आपको बनाना पड़ेगा पहले कि ये अगर कोई हमसे ये पूछता है तो ये पॉइंट हम पहले फर्स्ट प्रायोरिटी देंगे, इस पर हम कोई कंप्रोमाइज़ नहीं करें, तभी तो आपका पोस्ट रोल मॉडल होगा ना। दैट्स व्हाई आई टोल्ड यू ट्वाइस कि रोल मॉडल होना चाहिए, और थोड़ा आपका आई कांटेक्ट होना चाहिए। आपका मतलब आप ये समझ के चलोगे आप डीएम हो, यार डीएम ऐसे ऐसे देखेगा तो लोग तो उसे इधर उधर कर देंगे।
जैसे यू मेकिंग गुड आई कॉन्टैक्ट राइट नाउ,
जैसे अभी इस समय मैं बोल रहा हूँ तो आप कर रहे हो इस तरह से,
या तो यू वर ट्राइंग टू रेफर बैक टू द आंसर यू हैड थॉट अबाउट अ लिटिल टू मच।
और दूसरा चीज़ ये है कि जैसे कि लेट अस बी फ्रैंक कि हमें ये पता था कि आपका वेस्ट पेपर पे आपने बहुत अच्छा तैयारी किया, तो हम उस पर नहीं पूछ रहे थे, बट आप उसको 2 बार पूछनी, जब 2 बार हम लोग नहीं पूछे तो थोड़ा आपका इरिटेशन हो गया था। तो क्वाइट लाजमी है कि हो सकता है आपका इंटरव्यू में भी न पूछें, कोई ज़रूरी नहीं है कि तो आपको उसको फिर ऐसा नहीं है कि उसको कि भाई जो है ये क्यों नहीं।
सर एक्चुअली ना मेरा गला बहुत ख़राब है, तो उस वजह से शायद आपको लगा हुआ इरिटेशन, बट वैसा था नहीं।
जो भी देखिए ऐसा है कि आप पिक्चर देखते हो नहीं, आप एक लक्ष्य पिक्चर आई थी तो उसमें वो कहता है तुम्हारे पिताजी तुमको बहुत प्यार करते हैं, वो कहता है वो करें चाहे ना करें, जो कह रहे हैं वो तो नहीं करते, वो तो रोज़ डांटते ही रहते हैं, मुझे क्या पता। उसी तरह से आप जो बोल रहे हो हम तो उससे इन्फर करेंगे ना। और दूसरी चीज़ आप एक जान लीजिए, जिस पोस्ट पे आप जा रहे हैं उसमें कोई आपको रोते हुए देखने के लिए नहीं बना है, और आपके घर के अंदर क्या प्रॉब्लम है क्या नहीं कोई नहीं जानता, और न उसे की उसमें रुचि है। तो आप जब आइए तो अपना मुस्कुराते हुए प्रेजेंटेबल आइए और उसको प्रेजेंट करिए। नोबडी बॉदर्स अबाउट क्या प्रॉब्लम है, सबके प्रॉब्लम है तो छोड़ दीजिए, दूसरा आगे करें। बट आप क्वेश्चंस को थोड़ा सा जैसे रोल मॉडल है, अब आप रोल मॉडल लाइफ में भी सारे चीज़ थोड़ी कर सकते हो, तो रोल मॉडल में आप 3-4 पॉइंट जो आपको अच्छा लगे, मैं ये नहीं कहता कि वो आपको थोड़ा सा बैठ के करना पड़ेगा और अपने को तैयार करना पड़ेगा कुछ क्वेश्चंस के लिए। जैसे आप रिटर्न में तैयार करते हो कि 10 क्वेश्चन है, 20 चैप्टर है, इसमें से आ जाएगा हमें सोचें, उसी तरह से इसमें भी तैयार करिए। ये पूछेंगे अभी जैसे मेरठ के बारे में पूछ सकते, तो वहाँ कम्युनल राइट मेरठ में होता है, ये चीज़ें पूछे तो इसको आप कैसे बताएं। अभी बहुत ज़बरदस्त कैराना हुआ था मुजफ्फरनगर में राइट हो मेरठ में, उसके बारे में पूछ सकते हैं। उसमें कोई हो सकता है कोई पॉलिटिकल एफिलिएशन का भी बैठा हो, तो वो चीज़ें आपको अपने ध्यान में रखें। इन सब चीज़ों को आपको एक न्यूट्रल वे में कॉन्फिडेंटली दें, क्योंकि उस समय अगर आप वहाँ जैसे अब आपको अगर इंटरव्यू बोर्ड ये बताएगा कि भाई आप वहाँ जो है इकोनॉमी डेवलप करिए, तो देन इट गोस कि आप उसको इकोनॉमिक के बारे में थिंक थ्रो नहीं करें। उसी तरह से जैसे जियो पॉलिटिक है, ये छोटे छोटे वर्ड हैं, बट यू शुड नो कि क्या रियल पॉलिटिक का मतलब आजकल जैसे होता है दबंगई जिसको कह सकते हैं कि नहीं हम यही करेंगे। पहले होता था एक थोड़ा सा आदमी आड़ में करता था, अभी ये है नहीं हम जैसे अमेरिका करता है जो मन में आता है, वो रियल पॉलिटिक को दबा देना है, जो हम कहेंगे वही करेंगे। पहले होता था थोड़ा सा तभी प्लीजेंट्री एक्सचेंज होते, तो ये इस चीज़ों को आप पढ़ लीजिए। अब तो गूगल पे तमाम इधर उधर की चीज़ें आने लगी। अदरवाइज ओवरऑल आपका बहुत अच्छा है, कोई उसमें दिक्कत नहीं है, बट ये 2-4 चीज़ें हैं कि आप इसको थोड़ा सा तैयार करिए, कुछ बेसिक चीज़ें वो मैम बता देंगे आपको, अदरवाइज मेरे हिसाब से तो ठीक।
कुछ हम भी बोले। You see, every individual is a total personality, mentally, vocally, and physically. All these three things should be very clear, balanced at the same time. You are well informed, that is, you have to a little, I mean, of course your speed is a little faster. So you have to take some pause, maybe a fraction of seconds, etc. And then you, because you are communicating. So communication, I mean, if you are so fast, I am not able to catch, for example, and vice versa. That is the thing. So we have for assessment of your personality, we have 10 criteria. For example, I feel that integrity is your quite strong. If although I don't know you much, only within half an hour or so or 1 hour, that is. Leadership, you have to understand what is the meaning of leadership, what are the requirements for the leadership. And the very beginning is that you are nice, you are the leader of the district, that's it, district first, and later on maybe that you will one day you will become the cabinet secretary. But so that requires very serious attention, that you present yourself in all these three parameters. That is, and facially it should be very balanced, cheerful, not very tension or not very sad, not very emotional. So I feel that there is lots of things missing from your physical posturing or facial, that it is. And I think that openness to new ideas. So what new ideas you have, so that I am impressed by you on this.
Sir, I have a point on openness on new ideas.
Okay.
I'll get
Critical power of assimilation, you have the critical. The reasons you give, they express, there is some element. Because every time you are asked a question, the psychology is very important, I am telling you, so that in shaping the personality. Reason is also very important. The way you answer with some points, facts, then interpretation, all these things are there. And it's a clear, logical expression. And about the balance of judgment, you can, mental alertness you have. Emotional stability, I think you have to improve a little better. And ability for social cohesion. I'm not clear about
इतना ज़्यादा पूछ नहीं पाए हम, ये लास्ट के टाइम थोड़ा restricted था, लास्ट के 2 points बहुत ज़्यादा पूछ नहीं पाए.
Anyway, variety and depth of interest we kind of already know कि you already have decent
from the previous interview.
From the previous interviews and anyway from the DAF also.
Yeah.
So we kind of already
but
know
you
on
have
that.
the ability.
Yes.
You are, I mean, I can say that you have the capacity, you have the ability. If you manage very properly in a positive manner and taking care of all these issues, all
कोई
these
बहुत
comments,
ऐसा नहीं
etc.,
है
that
कि
will
you
help
are
you.
not fit.
That will help you.
But if you polish all those things, you may get more marks in the interview and may get.
Tanya, if I missed that, so anyway, you seemed very polite and you were a lot calmer than previous times. That is not that I'll not take away from you. But at the same time, you felt a lot more nervous this time than you were. Maybe I don't know. At least you were coming off as a lot more nervous this time than you were पहले. तो एक बार just try to not be as nervous.
Be original.
Yeah, you
सा
anyway to have a good personality that is already something that will.
Actually मैं 3-4 दिन से मुझे फीवर हो रहा है, तो maybe because of
maybe because of
थोड़ा सा
that.
चेहरा उतरा हुआ लग रहा है आज तुम्हारा.
You're not looking to the best of your this thing.
तो इसलिए
ठीक है, तो दैट इज, पर ध्यान रखना फिर एग्जाम उधर असल इंटरव्यू के टाइम पे बीमार मत होना फिर।
हाँ मतलब थोड़े दवाई ले लूँगी और ज़्यादा, और क्या। 28th को ऐसा।
नहीं तो सेडेटिव मत ले लेना।
नहीं सेडेटिव्स नहीं लूँगी।
नहीं वो जुकाम उकाम है वो जितने होते हैं
नहीं
तो
वो
उसी
मैं
तरह।
अल्कोहल बेस लेती नहीं हूँ दवाई, तो नहीं।
नहीं ये लग रहा वगैरह जो दे देते हैं ना एंटी एलर्जिक वाले।
And इसकी शादी भी है सर अभी, बहुत इंटरव्यू और शादी के बीच में 2-3 दिन का ही गैप है ना?
1 दिन का।
1 दिन का गैप है। तो थोड़ा सा
शादी हो चुकी होगी ऑलरेडी?
हाँ 26 को है।
अरे चलो,
काफी सारा एक साथ हो गया।
जस्ट 1 or 2 थिंग्स। एक ये आपका जो वो स्मॉल एंड मीडियम बिजनेसेस वाला आंसर था, वो थोड़ा अनप्रिपेयर्ड से लगे आप उस पे, या तो पहले से नहीं सोचा हुआ होगा
नहीं
इस
मैंने
पे?
सोचा था, बट मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम वी स्पीक अबाउट लॉज एंड ऑल, बट मुझे लगता है कि एक पर्सन के ऊपर भी होता है। जैसे मेरे पापा खुद एक स्मॉल हैं, तो उनको वो मैनेजरियल स्किल्स नहीं थे कि उसको लार्ज स्केल कर पाए, और उनको उस पर कोई ऐसा प्रोग्राम्स भी नहीं है कि आप एक ऑलरेडी मीडियम
तो आई
बिजनेस
थिंक,
है।
सी you're thinking well, but right now this thing you could not say very well in the interview.
नहीं जैसे आपने उसमें जो बोला वो बोल दिया कि भोपाल में जैसे हुआ, भोपाल से हमसे क्या लेना देना, आप बताओ ना, हम कर रहे हैं
मतलब
कि दिस कैन बी ए गुड आइडिया
हाँ
दिस वे।
Ideally, मतलब I think ये वाले क्वेश्चन में you were not very articulate. Otherwise you've always been very articulate. So
नहीं मतलब
this
मैंने इस पे
particular-
सोचा था, बट
I
आर्टिकुलेशन
think-
क्यों नहीं हुआ वो मुझे नहीं
एक
समझ आ रहा है।
बार आई थिंक 1 you could not point out एकदम point 1, point 2, point 3 प्रिसाइसली कन्वे नहीं हुआ।
okay.
बाकी एवरीथिंग एल्स इज फाइन।
मुझसे तो लगा कि तुम जो आर्ट साइड की विद्यार्थी, साइंस की नहीं।
हाँ, थोड़ा ज़्यादा या तो डिटैच्ड या व्हाटएवर, मे बी इट्स बिकॉज यू आर नॉट वेल और व्हाटएवर।
मुझे यही जानना था, जैसे इस टाइप के क्वेश्चन होते हैं स्मॉल मीडियम स्केल, तो हमें उस टाइप से आंसर करना चाहिए जो हम खुद से कर सकते हैं, या पॉलिसीज एंड लॉज? बिकॉज मुझे लगता है कि पॉलिसी एंड लॉ तो
See, you have to answer from the administrator's perspective,
perspective.
keeping your personal experiences also in the loop, right? So you can talk about कि as an administrator, या तो you can start off with, sir, there are a lot of things. As an administrator, ये 3-4 चीज़ें हैं that I think from my personal experience also, we can focus on these things. ठीक है? So वैसे कॉन्क्लेव्स करवा सकते हो
हाँ मतलब देयर
वगैरह।
शुड बी सम हेल्प एट द डिस्ट्रिक्ट लेवल ओनली, जो स्मॉल मीडियम स्केल बिजनेसमैन को स्केल अप करने में हेल्प करे। लाइक अगर मेरे फादर को भी ऐसे हेल्प मिला होता है, इतने
उनका
सारे
एक तो
लोग होते
स्किल
हैं।
डेवलपमेंट, ईज ऑफ डूइंग बिजनेस। ईज ऑफ डूइंग बिजनेस में जैसे उनको लोन लेना है, जगह लेना है, ये होना चाहिए। दूसरा उनको डे टू डे हसल्स फ्री होना चाहिए, जो क्रिमिनल से हैं, इनसे उनसे। और जो सबसे महत्वपूर्ण एज एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन का होता है कि यू शुड बी एक्सेसिबल टू द पब्लिक। सबसे बड़ी शिकायत पब्लिक की यही रहती है कि आप फ़ोन मिलाइए, मिलते नहीं। तो ये चीज़ ज़रूर आप कहिए कि हमारे प्रायोरिटी में रहेगा, अगर पूछते हैं हो कि आपका क्या रोल मॉडल।
और डेथ पेनल्टी वाला जो आपका क्वेश्चन था बच्चा, बिगिनिंग में गड़बड़ हो गई थी। डेथ पेनल्टी आई एम इन फेवर ऑफ, अगर जल्दी होगी तो, अगर जल्दी डेथ पेनल्टी
आर्टिकुलेट गलत हो गया। वो ये था कि जुडिशियल सिस्टम नीड्स टू बी,
वो बाद में जब पूछा तो तुमने सही से बोल दिया, बट
वो शुरू में गड़बड़ हो गया।
सेम थिंग, हड़बड़ इन आंसरिंग द क्वेश्चन। तो वो भी
वो ऐसा लग रहा था
देखिए
कि
ये इशू जो है ना, थोड़ा सा इस पर कमेंट। देखिए कैपिटल पनिशमेंट बहुत ही रेयर है, एक्सेप्शनल
हाँ रेयरेस्ट ऑफ द
एक्सट्रीम केसेस। फिर भी जुडिशियरी ने या गवर्नमेंट ने या पुलिस ने या स्टेट गवर्नमेंट ने 7 years ले लिया है, ठीक है ना। ये प्रोसेस है, दिस इज द डिफेक्ट ऑफ डेमोक्रेटिक सिस्टम एक्चुअली। इतने चीज़ें हैं एंड दैट्स व्हाई द सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट हैज अप्रोच ऐसे टू मेक चेंजेस, ठीक है।
आप बताओ प्लीज।
तो इसमें एक चीज़ होता है, जो पनिशमेंट की जो थ्योरी है, दैट यू शुड मस्ट हैव इन योर माइंड। सपोज देयर इज ए क्वेश्चन दैट यू हैव प्रिवेंटिव, यू हैव रिफॉर्मेटिव, एक जो होता है एक उसको जो है। तो पनिशमेंट की जो 3 थ्योरीज हैं उसको आप दिमाग में रखिए। एक्सट्रीम केसेस में जो है वो इसका एक प्रिवेंटिव है, अगर फांसी पड़ जाती है तो इसका एक प्रिवेंटिव भी इसके इम्पैक्ट्स हैं। ये
डिटेरेंस तो
जानना
है।
चाहिए कि एक्सेप्शन केस में क्यों, क्योंकि जो लास्ट सेंटेंस कि जो विक्टिम है उसको जस्टिस मिलना चाहिए। अगर उसके साथ जो है बहुत इस तरह हाइनस क्राइम कमिट हुआ है, जिस तरह से किया है कि दूसरी चीज़ ये है कि डेथ भी हुआ उसमें,
Yes.
तो उसको तो जस्टिस तो नहीं मिला ना। जस्टिस का मतलब यह है कि हमारा 10 रुपया अगर खो गया तो 10 रुपया हमारा वापस आ जाएगा। यहाँ तो इक्वल नहीं है, नाइफ और नाइफ तो सिस्टम है नहीं। ये तो रिफॉर्म है, यानी कोशिश ये की जाती है कि उसको कन्वर्ट करके फिर उसको जो है जेल में कर दिया जाए 5 साल 3 साल 6 साल। तो लेकिन विक्टिम को जो अपने हिसाब से तो नहीं मिला उसको। तो ये थोड़ा सा जब ये बात हो तो थोड़ा सा ध्यान रखिएगा आंसर देने में आपको जो है।
बाकी anyway we know about your personality, we know that you कि तुम कैसे हो वगैरह, तो आई थिंक उन चीज़ों पे वी शुड नॉट बी टॉकिंग। बट हाँ, ऑन दैट पॉइंट जो सर ने कहा कि आपकी लीडरशिप स्किल्स आर नॉट काइंड ऑफ कमिंग आउट, राइट, वो you're not seemingly coming off as a very strong girl, right? You're a sweet girl, polite girl, सब कुछ है, but you need to look a little stronger when giving any answers which are very assertive.
Okay.
तो वो just work on your body language on that particular aspect, ठीक है?
हाँ, I do my shoulders like this.
हाँ, ये ड्रूप हो जाता है, थोड़ा सा वो हो जाता है। अब तो उन चीज़ों का ध्यान रखना, कम ऑफ एज अ स्ट्रॉन्गर इंडिविजुअल व्हेन डिस्कसिंग समथिंग विद,
Yes.
राइट?
Sometimes I even rested back, so I should have done that.
You do that. And also एक वो वाला, although you're very respectful to everybody, but at the same time also understand that these are people you're trying to have a conversation with, and not trying to seem like a baby in front of them, right?
Right.
So एक certain level of authority आपके बोलने में भी आना चाहिए, not rude but slightly more authoritative, yeah?
Okay.
बस उतना रखना है, ठीक है?
ऑलराइट तान्या, आप बहुत अच्छे से कॉन्फिडेंटली स्माइलिंग यू एंटर्ड, बट देन आप बीमार हैं तो, बट आई नोटिस कि आप जैसे वो बोल रही थी तो थोड़ा सा वीक तरीके से, और यू आर नॉट स्माइलिंग एंड यू आर नॉट फीलिंग हैप्पी वाइल हैविंग दिस कॉन्वर्जेशन, ऐसा लगा। एनीवेज, आई कांटेक्ट आपका मेंटेन रखना चाहिए। पर्टिकुलरली अगर मैं बात करूँ जो लोअर ब्यूरोक्रेसी मोटिवेशन वाला मैंने जो क्वेश्चन पूछा था, योर आंसर वॉज ऐसा बहुत मायोपिक सा आंसर था। यू सेड ये तो जनरल सा होता है, सबका इंडिविजुअल होता है, लोअर ब्यूरोक्रेसी में प्रॉब्लम है, दैट इज वाई गवर्नेंस इज नॉट ऑफ द लेवल दैट वी वांट। देयर इज अ प्रॉब्लम ऑफ बेसिक मोटिवेशन। आप किसी भी सरकारी ऑफिस में जाओ, किसी से भी बात करो, विल यू नॉट नोटिस कि यार एक फर्क ऑफिस का लीडर जो होगा, बॉस जो होगा, एंड जो कर्मचारी दूसरे होते हैं, इज देयर नॉट अ जमीन आसमान का फर्क होता है एवरी ऑफिस यू सी। तो इफ देयर इज एन अपरेंट प्रॉब्लम, गवर्नेंस का इशू है। क्यों इशू है? मोटिवेशन इज मिसिंग। अगर मोटिवेशन इज नॉट मिसिंग, देयर विल बी नो इशू ऑफ गवर्नेंस, ठीक है? आप अगर इस चीज को डिनाई करते हैं तो आपके लीडरशिप क्वालिटीज के ऊपर क्वेश्चन मार्क होता है,
I
बिकॉज
went
यू आर
into the
नॉट,
denial mode, like
हाँ.
complete denial mode. I should have not gone that.
हाँ, यू बी ओपन टू क्रिटिसिज्म।
लेकिन अगर आप क्रिटिसिज्म पे हो तो आपको फिर बताना पड़ेगा कि क्या करोगे आप मोटिवेशन के लिए।
हाँ, बहुत जरूरी। यू बी ओपन टू,
नेक्स्ट आ जाएगा कि आप फिर करोगे क्या उसको।
हाँ,
Correct.
अगला सवाल यही होगा।
Like why जो एक चीज I liked what you said कि I also see traffic police standing in the sun, and
हाँ.
that was a
Very
very good
good.
input.
That's very
That
good.
was very good.
हाँ.
But at the same time you say कि हाँ, but
problems
there are
हैं.
other people also who are not as motivated, and I personally as a person in authority need to ensure that they are feeling more motivated.
करेक्ट है ना? तो इन दिस पर्टिकुलर मॉक आई फाउंड लोअर ब्यूरोक्रेसी मोटिवेशन क्वेश्चन में आपका लीडरशिप।
उसमें यह है कि अब एक ये भी है कि अगर आपसे प्रूफ ज़्यादा हो जाएगा वो क्वेश्चन, तो फिर लोअर के मोटिवेशन के लिए आप करोगे क्या? तो उसके कुछ बेसिक जो थ्योरी,
Accountability.
नहीं अकाउंटेबिलिटी, उसकी थ्योरीज हैं। थ्योरीज जैसे वेलफेयर उनका देखेंगे, उनकी प्रॉब्लम्स को देखेंगे, उनसे बात करेंगे कि भाई दे आर नॉट मोटिवेटेड, वी विल गिव देम सिंपैथिक हियरिंग सो दैट द प्रॉब्लम कैन बी सॉर्टेड आउट, एंड एट द सेम टाइम यू विल मेक देम अकाउंटेबल कि यू आर, दिस इज योर रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी एंड यू आर अकाउंटेबल फॉर दिस। और एट द सेम टाइम अब वो तो थ्योरी MBA की मैं ग्रेगर XY थ्योरी, वो तो अलग है।
मतलब that
But
answer was not
आप-
balanced. मैंने completely deny कर दिया. I should have said कि
नहीं,
although it
आपने
is
कम्प्लीटली नहीं दिया, आपने जवाब तो बहुत अच्छा दिया है कि साहब जो है सिपाही वो खड़ा रहता है, बट आपने ये है कि वो प्रॉब्लम है, ये भी आपने एक्सेप्ट किया, बट आपने उस प्रॉब्लम को एक्सेप्ट करके ये कह दिया प्रॉब्लम वो तो रहेगी ही रहेगी, अच्छे लोग भी हैं।
हाँ, आपने मतलब काइंड ऑफ फ्रॉम एन एडमिनिस्ट्रेटर्स पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू झटक दिए हाथ कि हाँ ठीक है ये तो
ठीक है,
इंडिविजुअल
भगवान
प्रॉब्लम
भरोसे
है,
छोड़ दिया
हाँ।
मैंने, मुझे ऐसे बोलना चाहिए था, बट वी शुड ट्राई कि ऑल पीपल कन्वर्ट इनटू दोस कैटेगरीज
Yes.
एंड फॉर दैट वी
कल
नीड
को
मोर
कल को डीएम बनोगे तो
और
how will
वो
you
जब
ensure?
कन्वर्ट आप करोगे तो फिर
तो
उसके लिए
अगेन वो
आप
क्वेश्चन आएगा, तो
उसके लिए आप तैयार रहना।
ठीक है सर।
ठीक है
है।
सो
Got it.
ओपननेस टू न्यू आइडियाज, बैलेंस ऑफ जजमेंट, ये सारे कॉम्प्रोमाइज हो गए इस पर्टिकुलर क्वेश्चन में। बाकी बात करेंगे जो मैंने यूपी के बारे में आपसे 5 पॉइंट्स बोलने को कहा था, एंड आई मेड दिस नेगेटिव बैकग्राउंड पर्पसफुली कि भाई हर टाइप का प्रॉब्लम है, एंड द फर्स्ट पॉइंट यू सेड इज लार्जेस्ट पॉपुलेशन। इज दिस अ गुड थिंग और बैड थिंग?
सर अगेन दोनों चीजें हैं, बट आई शुड नॉट
Population without the level of human development that is needed, it's a bane. तो वैसे अगर देखा जाए लार्जेस्ट पॉपुलेशन वाला जो पॉइंट है, दिस इज अ नेगेटिव। पॉपुलेशन इज अ बिग प्रॉब्लम एवरीवेयर अराउंड द वर्ल्ड, स्पेशली इन कंट्रीज लाइक इंडिया। तो आपने शुरुआत ही नेगेटिव से कर दी, बाकी पॉइंट्स आर ऑल गुड, बट दिस फर्स्ट पॉइंट, इसको थोड़ा सा आपको
It was like more of like of introduction
you
type,
can
but
say
not positive.
that UP has got the largest demographic dividend potential.
हाँ, वही बोलना
इस तरीके
चाहिए
से
था।
बोल सकते हो। So
Got
that
it,
will be all from my side. I think बाकी आपने बहुत अच्छा किया। ठीक,
ऑल द बेस्ट,
good luck.
थैंक यू, थैंक यू।
Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update from Civil's Daily.